This is exactly how you could become a millionaire, even if right now you're still working a 9-to-5 job. And if by the end of this video, you don't feel like you have a clear path to reach $1 million, I'll personally coach you until you do for 100% free. There won't be generic tips like be more consistent or improve your mindset. This will be a practical step-by-step guide, a simplified version of the process that I followed to go from working at a manual labor job, stocking wine in grocery stores, to generating $10 million online. It's specifically designed for beginners with zero prior experience. So the first step is to stack high income skills. The sad reality is most people around you, they'll stay stuck trapped in a job that they hate simply because they don't understand what I call the value equation. And to explain what I mean, let me ask you a question. Why does a nurse surgeon get paid $190 per hour while a barista only makes $16.50? Pretty simple answer, right? It's because removing brain tumors and saving lives is way more valuable than making a coffee. And this is the brutal truth that no one wants to accept. Your income will always be in direct proportion to the value that you provide. If you don't learn high income skills that deliver real value to people, you're gonna stay stuck earning a basic wage that barely covers your bills. But this doesn't mean that you have to study brain science for 10 years just to become rich. Luckily, there are a bunch of high income skills that you can learn in 3 to 6 months that could double or even triple your income and help you fast track your way to $1 million. Some of these skills are things like programming, paid advertising, and sales. For example, if you become a killer salesperson and you help a company make $3 million, then they would have no problem paying you $200,000 a year or more because you're giving the company a return on their investment. Now, sales is a great skill, but if your goal is to be able to make $1 million online so that you can work from anywhere in the world, then I have 2 specific high income skills that I recommend learning first. They are first, copywriting, which is simply the art of salesmanship, but just in writing. And then second, photo and video editing. These 2 skills are the foundation, especially when you combine them with the simple social media strategy that I'm gonna be sharing in step 3. They'll give you the power to turn any idea in your head into a product or service that will generate millions of dollars. You'll be able to design websites like these and create ads and landing pages that gets thousands of people buying your products. In fact, it was these 2 skills that helped me go from texting my friend every day on what I could do better on my store to creating multiple 6-figure plus online brands. Without them, I honestly believe that it would have taken me at least another 2 to 3 years before I had been successful in online businesses. So then, how do you get started learning these skills? Well, you definitely don't need to waste money on expensive courses. You could simply just head to YouTube and start learning for free. Honestly, mastering these quickly is often where beginners get stuck or lose momentum. One area where having guidance can really shorten the learning curve and help you start to see results faster. I would recommend spending at least 1 hour per week studying these, while also implementing the next step that I'm about to share, which is to pick a business model and go all in. Most people fail at building online businesses because they're constantly jumping from one shiny opportunity to the next. And you know exactly who I'm talking about. We all have that one friend who wants to get rich, but 1 month they're into crypto, then the next month they're trying YouTube automation, and then next it's day trading. They never stick with one thing long enough to even be able to see real success. But the path to your first million, it requires focus. So just pick one proven model and go all in. Now, there are a bunch of online business models that you can pick. Things like affiliate marketing, starting an agency, or becoming a freelancer. But from my experience, dropshipping is the absolute best place to start. Now, I'm obviously biased, but let me explain why I think it's the fastest way that you can make $1 million online. First off, you can literally start making money with only a few $100s. All you need to know is how to find a great product, how to build a store, which I will show you in a second, and how to create videos that get people's attention. Secondly, unlike building an agency or running some type of service-based business, you don't have to deal with annoying clients. In these type of businesses, you're simply trading one boss for about 5. But with dropshipping, you're in complete control. You don't have people telling you what you can and cannot do. And third and finally, the scaling potential is crazy. Once you find a winning product, you can quickly start earning anywhere between $10,000 to $50,000 plus per month, just like one of my students, Michael. So Michael came to me about 12 months ago. He was struggling to find and scale a good product. But after joining my one-on-one mentorship program, I showed him my simple method specifically designed for beginners to find winning products, how to build a store that builds trust and gets people to buy, even if you have no design skills, and then how to scale using Facebook ads in my organic content strategy, which I will share here in a few minutes. And within just 9 months of working with me, he was able to go from 0 to making over $1 million in sales. And getting that personalized help to navigate these crucial early steps, this is what made all the difference. So if you're interested in getting the same level of guidance that I gave Michael and so many others, then you can check out the link in my description where you can apply for the program today. But regardless of what you do, I'm still going to break down a really quick tutorial on how you can build your first dropshipping store using a powerful AI tool that automates 90% of the process. So the first thing you wanna do is head down to my description and click this link so you can follow along as I run through this entire process. And don't worry about cost or anything because this tool is 100% free. Basically, it uses the power of AI to ask a few simple questions and then transforms those answers into a professional, high-converting, customized Shopify store. What's crazy is that when I first started dropshipping, this process used to take me at least like 1 to 2 days to complete. But as you're about to see with this tool, you'll be able to create your fully built Shopify store in just a few minutes. So once you click the link, you'll be taken to a page that looks something like this. All you need to do here is just enter in some quick information and then hit next. Next, you'll be asked to pick a niche. This is basically deciding what kind of products that you want to sell in your store. Now, if you already know what type of products that you want to sell, you can go ahead and select that niche. Otherwise, do not stress too much about this decision right now. You're just getting started, so you can always come back and change things later. But for this example, I'm gonna go ahead and click the fitness niche. Okay, so now that we have our niche, next the AI is gonna ask you to select a few banner images for your store, as you can see right here. These will help give your shop some personality and make it look professional. So just pick the ones that match the vibe that you're going for. Then once you select your banner images, you'll just have to go through a couple more steps and you'll have your first fully designed Shopify store that is ready to add your products to in less than 2 minutes. But whether you do dropshipping or any other online business, the next tip that I'm about to share is by far the most important. It's what will help scale whatever business that you start to thousands of dollars per month without paying any advertising costs. For example, you can see right here that I use this exact method I'm about to teach you to make over $1,000 in a single day without running any ads. So what is it? Well, it's learning how to leverage social media. You see what's crazy is that it was only 20 years ago that if you wanted to build a business, you needed thousands of dollars just to get started. For example, let's say that you wanted to open up a simple business like a bakery. You would have needed at least $30,000 for equipment, $20,000 to rent a place of business, and $5,000 or more just for advertising. And that is all before you even sell your first cupcake. But thanks to social media, you can now build $1 million business starting with your phone in just a few $100s. Look at examples like Pierce Woodward, who used simple TikTok videos showing his rings to build $1 million brand by his 20th birthday. Or then there's Ben Francis, who started Gymshark at 19 years old and used Instagram to turn it into $1 billion company from his garage, where it's 100% possible for you to build a multi-million-dollar business with little to no money. So hopefully by now, you have a business model in mind. Now let me explain how you can scale it beyond anything that you ever imagined using my proven social media strategy. So the first step is to pick a platform to master first. You do not want to spread yourself too thin. I recommend starting on something like TikTok because you only have to make short videos and the reach is insane. Next, you want to start posting as soon as possible. You don't need a bunch of fancy equipment or know how to speak on camera to get started. If you follow the steps in part 1 of this video, you should already have some decent skills in editing and crafting scripts to create a good video. Then you want to find your top 3 competitors in your niche and break down their best performing videos. You want to specifically look at the first 3 to 5 seconds of their video. This is called the hook, and it's by far the most important part of your video. Then focus on recreating those videos for your own brand using similar hooks. I recommend posting at least 3 times per day in the beginning until you start seeing some momentum. Do this for 30 days straight, and if your account takes off, simply just keep recreating the most viral videos. If it doesn't, then delete the account and start again. If you follow these exact steps, there's literally no way that you don't go viral within the next few months. Now, obviously that was a quick overview of the 3 main steps. Learn simple online skills, choose dropshipping as your model, and use simple social media to get visitors. So now that you have the basic framework, you can absolutely take this information and start figuring things out on your own through trial and error, watching more YouTube videos, and piecing things together. But if you want a complete, proven roadmap laid out for you, from finding winning products to writing descriptions that sell, building a trustworthy store, and creating videos that actually get views, then this next video, where I give you a 3-hour speed run of fully building out your first dropshipping business, this is where you need to be next. I'll see you there. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.